Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we've got an exciting new product for you Maverick enthusiasts, the trunk, grille, and spoiler emblem. An exact reproduction of the Ford originals, they are die cast and chrome plated. They come complete with a peel and stick adhesive back. These emblems fit the trunk lid or spoiler on the 70 to 74 models and the grille on the 71 to 74s. When used on the 71 to 74 grills, you will need to reuse your painted base. A peel and stick adhesive, these emblems can be applied anywhere you want, on your console, your toolbox, just to name a few. Our emblems are officially licensed by the Ford Motor Company, ensuring our emblems are as good or better than the Ford originals. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your Ford at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.